Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make a börek. A börek is like a bread, a Turkish bread with the fillings. For the sauce, we make 1 cup of milk and olive oil, half cup of olive oil. I forgot to show you. It is half cup of olive oil. And I will mix with it with the 3 eggs. Actually, I always make beaten eggs before I put milk and olive oil, but today I forget what I should make it first, because it's very easy if you make mix the eggs first before you put the milk and the olive oil. Actually, I use olive oil because it is normal in this house to use olive oil, but it's up to you what you want oil, cooking oil you want to use. Prepare the rougher like this. I learned to make this here in Turkey because it is usually part of their foods. Borek is a filled Middle Eastern and Central Asian pastry made of a thin flaky dough such as filled with a variety of fillings such as meat, cheese, spinach, or potatoes. Today I'm gonna make spinach and with cheese, because every time I make this recipe, this pastry, what you call that, I always put cheese. Okay, just make it like this over and over again until it become finish the one rougher. And then after that, I will put the spinach. I already cooked the spinach, but it is not so hard to make because it's just um cook with onion and tomato, and then I put the cheese. That's why you can see that there is cheese. It is white cheese, and I just put it, and that's all. Just drain the water. And that's all. It is finished. All the sauce. I just all this sauce. I always use it all. And I put this black seed and sesame seed. And after that, we will put it in the oven. Actually, I always cook in 200 degree. And now it is finished. Actually, I am on hurry because I forget about this börek. I forget that I have on something in the oven. That's why it a little bit brown, but thanks God it is not burned. And then I will cut it into square, small square, so it is nice to eat like that. And it looks like this, very delicious and very yummy because it is healthy also because it is spinach inside. And it is done for today's video. Thank you so much for all the support that you're giving to me, and I hope you subscribe my channel and like my video, and give me a comment what you want to see on my next video. Thank you.